Hello, everybody. I'm Coleman, and I'm leading partnerships for Origin Protocol. I have Zhaniel with me today from Jolyy. We are going to talk about what Jolyy is doing and how they are building on Origin Protocol.
Hi, everyone.
Why don't we begin with a short introduction about who you are and how you got involved in blockchain or cryptocurrencies?
Yeah, sure. So my name is Zhaniel, and I'm from Bulgaria originally, and I'm the acting lead engineer for Jolyy. My interest in crypto began while I was in university. I was studying computer science at the time, and we had lots of different speakers come in and talk about different subjects. And one of the subjects that really interested me was blockchain and cryptocurrencies as well. They also presented different use cases, how blockchain can be applied to different businesses and how this can solve future problems. So I really got interested in that, and I got involved as a consequence. So I decided to group up with my friends and develop an application that can change the world really. That's all.
Can you describe in an easy to understand way for our audience what Jolyy is building?
Yeah, sure. So we are building a global decentralized online beauty platform called Jolyy. Its mission is to disrupt the existing beauty market and its businesses, digitize them, and also provide users with the ability to interact and conduct transactions in a fast and cost-free manner without the need for a third party. So our platform will consist of three important parts. One is, the first one is Jolyy Booking. So this is an expansion of our current active test application locally deployed here in Bulgaria. And the main goal is to allow users to filter and book beauty procedures in a matter of seconds all over the world. And using blockchain will solve the current issues with the payment system where money is transferred to a centralized system and there could be delays, etc. So this will allow beauty salons to become more transparent, digitized, secure, and also reach the exact audience and customers they seek for by making more informed analytical decisions as well.
Yeah, so can you explain for our audience what some
centralized.
of
Sorry?
You broke up there for a little second. So you said there were some centralized.
Sorry, yeah. So the second part is Jolyy Live. So this will be the decentralized social platform for Jolyy, where it will be as an additional feature to users to contribute content, subscribe, and follow salons all over the world, and also really contribute to the community. And we will use our Joy tokens as a matter of just awarding people for contributing. And the third part of our application will be the store, where we can create a connection between the beauty experts and customers and the cosmetic manufacturers. And in that way, the manufacturers will be able to reach their audience directly, and they can filter by their interests and promote their products. And this will be also, I think it will be a great opportunity for small manufacturers who don't have the budget for advertising to reach out to everyone.
Yeah, can you maybe go into what are some of the problems with the current system of beauty booking? Maybe some of our audience doesn't understand problems.
Yeah, so the current problems with the booking system is that it's mainly with the payment system. So the payment system is not really designed in a way to provide really fast transactions and satisfy the end user. So the main reason why we are creating a decentralized application is to get rid of all the third parties that your money may go through, all the delays, etc.
Great. Where are you in the development or product roadmap?
So currently we are completing the build for our demo application, which is available at jolyy.com. And we are planning and designing also the beta version of the platform.
Great. What do you hope to accomplish by the end of the year, and what does your timeline look like for the year?
Yeah, so we started our company back in 2016, and I think we've achieved quite a lot since then. So, we launched our test centralized booking platform in Bulgaria when we received great feedback from it as well. We launched our mobile app along with that. We began our partnership with Origin, which is a huge improvement for us. And we also managed to design and deploy our demo application. And in the future, we are looking to complete our ICO. And every investment round is obviously a huge milestone for any company. And in addition to that, also release our beta application.
Cool. Can you explain for our audience what your token does? Is it a payment token, or does it have rewards, or what are the different functions that you guys are planning on building into the token?
Yeah, so in short, our token will have three functions. One of the functions is obviously it will be a payment method. So when booking an appointment, for example, you will use the Joy token to complete the transaction. Another way that you can use our token will be for bounty and awards for users when they create content or contribute content on our Jolyy Live platform. So this is really to incentivize people to connect and contribute, which is a great way to bring people together. And the third way that we can use our Joy token is for our Jolyy store, where salons and cosmetic manufacturers they will use our token to conduct their contracts or execute their contracts instead of having to pay money via third parties. They can just have a smart contract which will execute, and they directly receive the money at certain periods, etc.
Cool. So Jolyy is one of the first projects to actually build a demo dApp, a decentralized application, using Origin's platform. Can you tell us a little bit more about that, and why you decided to move in that direction, partnering with Origin and building a decentralized application instead of a traditional centralized application?
Yeah, sure. So obviously, decentralized applications are, or at least in my view, they are the future of technology, and they enable businesses to be way more efficient and fast. So the reason why we chose Origin is very simple. Origin is a very innovative company. You guys have tremendous potential and tremendous skill in your team. So we're really grateful to learn from you as well as work with you. So you guys really inspire us to really develop our work standards and deliver to a very high standard as well.
Yeah, and I'll be posting some information about the demo and the URL in a blog post that will include this video. Yep. So if our users are interested in trying out the Jolyy demo, I'll have all the links ready.
Yeah, sure.
You just touched on this. What do you think about decentralization as a movement? More and more companies are talking about decentralization. It seems a few of them are starting to actually think about and build decentralized products. You have decentralization of teams. People are working with global distributed teams. It seems like it's a big trend for the future.
Yeah, so I think this more like decentralization is to me, it's the new industrial revolution, if I can say that. It's the only tool in human history that can enable organization of economies to reach such a big scale. So it's really important to really build upon that and develop it, innovate it, so that it grows, and in the future every company can adopt this new technology and just make its business digitized and efficient.
Cool. How did you guys build your community in online and in person, and how are you engaging with them?
So we are Jolyy. We really value diversity, and one of our main goals is to bring women to cryptocurrencies. So we know that nowadays in the crypto world, it's mainly males who are interested or work there. So we really wanted to create an application that can actually create diversity and bring all kinds of different people together. And we know that women are not really familiar with blockchain and cryptocurrencies as technology, so we really want to make an impact on that. And we value our strong community, and we try to advertise as much as possible, bring people together, encourage them to ask questions, and we obviously try to stay really transparent and give honest answers as well.
Is blockchain and cryptocurrency becoming bigger in Bulgaria than say a year ago?
I would say so. To be honest, I know many of my friends who are starting or have started small projects which try to adopt the blockchain as a technology, and obviously I wish them the very best of luck. But I think I think in the future that we'll see more and more of projects like ours.
Where do you see blockchain and cryptocurrencies in 5 to 10 years? Do you have any predictions or?
So I think I recently read an article where it said that blockchain space is predicted to expand by 42% by the year 2020, and the current global spending on blockchain solutions equals 2.2 billion. So I think this speaks for itself how huge blockchain has had of an impact. And I think Deloitte recently predicted that blockchain projects will actually outscale cloud computing in venture capital investment. And also countries with official blockchain strategies, such as Malta, I think, will end up leading regional markets and the global industry in general. So I think blockchain in 5 or 10 years time will continuously evolve, and we'll see newer and newer stuff that we've never seen before.
Cool. Is there anything else you'd like the audience to know about yourself or Jolyy?
I think one of the most important thing is for the audience to know is that we are a really passionate team, and as I said, we'll try and deliver a really great application with many functionalities that will help beauty experts and customers get connected together. And you can find our project on jolyy.com, and also join our Telegram and ask any questions you'd like. We really encourage that. And also our pre-sale is starting soon, so don't miss out, and come and support us.
Yeah, I'll make sure to post all those links on the article that this video is on, and also on the YouTube description.
Yeah.
It's really great to see, a blockchain company, a startup that's building stuff, and then it actually has a demo app, a decentralized application. Because so many companies, they're so focused on only raising the money, and they haven't built anything that's actually.
Yeah, that's true. I think you need to really develop something first so you can show it to the world, and then, make them believe that this is a thing that will succeed.
Yeah, so we're really excited at Origin about Jolyy because you guys are building and shipping like real code, and you guys have a demo out already, and that you guys are bringing in like maybe a demographic that other projects aren't targeting. So everyone here is really excited about Jolyy. Thank you for your time. If anyone has any follow-up questions, I'll have all the links about Jolyy and all the links about Origin, and you can contact either one of us and ask questions or get involved.
Yeah, you're all welcome.
I think both of our companies are really open and really appreciative of anyone who wants to help or get involved. So
exactly.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much, Coleman. I think this was a really great conversation, and we're looking forward to working with you and your team.
Yeah, please come visit in San Francisco if you can.
Yeah, we'll try. It's not that easy with all the visas and stuff, but yeah.
Yeah, hopefully one day the rest of society becomes as global as crypto, where borders.
Exactly. We'll have a group visit.
All right, Zhaniel, it was great talking to you. Thank you for your time.
Great talking to you, Coleman.
All right.
Speak to you later.